That's a big fire. That's not a bad idea.
Yeah, Dad, there's a bunch of them that didn't go off. I'm like, throw it in the fire.
Are you kidding me? That sounded like baby rabbits.
There's a bunch of bugs.
That was a whole family right there.
Wow.
What's that? Cat tails.
Yeah. There's all the bugs.
Yeah, any snake that you
Throw 'em in.
So many bugs.
Go over there and toss it in.
You the cat tails, you dip it in oil.
What is that?
We did that when we were kids. We put them around torches. We stay lit.
Bugs. The bugs.
Yeah.
It's huge for initial, but once that burns down, we can sit closer.
Oh, you can see the.
Yeah, the frame of the couch.
Yep.
It doesn't dry out, and then it'll just
Still light. You can still see a little bit, but I mean, it's still going though. It was really big before. There's a lot more people than last year.
What's that?
There's a lot more people than last year.
Percent?
Huh?
Percent?
No, no. I said there's a lot more people than last year.
Percent. Popo. Where Popo go?
Yep.
Where at?
Yeah.
Where go? Where go?
It's having different colors.
Bright red.
And that's when you know you got it.
Go closer. Don't go by your face.
Yeah, I remember seeing it after.
Go ahead. Be careful.
And actually,
It has a weird color from this angle. It's slowed down now. Alright, I got away from the fire a little bit. It's finally like pretty much breaking dawn.
Yeah. I went to a rich Catholic school, dude. That's the first time I ever moved.
The fire is big.
First time. Bishop Canterbury, dude. Like, I was they had the money, dude. They had the money.
You can tell the difference in the darkness. It's not as intense as it was. You can tell it's dark now. Kind of stepped away from it just because it's a little bit more intense the closer you get.